The scatter plot shows the temperature in degrees Fahrenheit and the distance above sea level in feet measured at 6 locations on Mount Jefferson. A line of best fit is also shown. At a distance of 4,000 feet above sea level, what is the temperature in degrees Fahrenheit predicted by the line of best fit? So the dots that we see, anytime we have a scatter plot, it's just dots of data. They're showing us dots of data. So we have these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 dots, and they are showing these 6 locations, their distance above sea level, and what their temperature was. And a line of best fit in a scatter plot is a line that is trying to show an overall trend. When it's the best fit, it's the line that when you draw it through all the points, it is the shortest average distance vertically from each point. Now on the SAT, they do not ask you to come up with a line of best fit. There will be questions about it, but the questions generally are something like this, where they're asking you to ignore the dots and just look at the line of best fit and see what it predicts. Or they will give you a chart with a line of best fit and then give you they will give you, your 4 options, A, B, C, and D, of equations of lines and say which of these equations best fits that line. And honestly, for those, it doesn't really matter if it's the line of best fit. It's just which of these equations fits that line. This is one, as I said, where they're just asking you to look not at the dots, but at the line itself. And they're saying at 4,000 feet above sea level, which is this bit right here, what is the temperature predicted by the line? So we just look for, that, as I can't draw straight to save my life. There we go. And we look for where it's hitting, what that Y, I can't quite get it on that line, but that's close enough. You know what I'm doing there. They want you to get right, there we go. That's better, perfect. You want to see what is that Y value. And it looks like it's crossing right there at 35 degrees is where that line of best fit is at 4,000. And that is B. My answer is 35. Hey guys, head over to my new site, mathwithalyssa.com, to get your free 10 video course of SAT tips and tricks. It covers things like how to make a study plan that's perfect for you, how to pace yourself during the test to get maximum points, and so much more. I'm super excited to get this out to you guys, and a lot more SAT prep help is coming for you in the weeks ahead. Again, that is mathwithalyssa.com. And if you liked the video you just watched, please let YouTube know. Comment, like, share, subscribe. You know the drill. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you have a great day. See you later. Bye.